Sparkles. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to do a chocolate covered strawberry mukbang, and I'm so excited because I love chocolate covered strawberries, like one of my favorites. And also I have some Martinelli sparkling cider right here, and I cannot wait to drink that as well. And I'll talk with y'all, and then we'll just eat these chocolate covered strawberries. And if y'all want to see that, then just keep watching. Alright, so I'm going to ask my blessing. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for this food I'm about to receive, and bless it in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Amen. Alright, so I'm going to open this Martinelli cider, and I'll be back. I'm going to pour some sparkling cider. Okay, so let's get started.
Sweet.
Oh yeah.
Lots of chocolate on them. Very good.
Gosh, it's so good. It came out so nice and professional. The strawberries.
Sure did.
You want a strawberry?
I had two.
You already had two?
Two, and they were very good.
Oh yeah, you did have two already.
Nice thick chocolate.
And so creamy. And also, if you wonder how I make these strawberries, you can check out my other video I have. It's called How I Make Chocolate Covered Strawberries. I'll definitely link it in the description box below. But I used Ghirardelli's milk chocolate, and also I used Ghirardelli's white chocolate on here. I got some strawberries from the store, and yeah, it's really quick, really simple, and easy to make, and I just love them. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. And you love when I make them too, don't you?
I love them. Strawberries are so good, and they're healthy for you.
Yeah, they're healthy. And it's a nice, quick, like, sweet treat, too.
It's so special in the summertime when it's hot weather and you can sit out in the nice, cool air.
Yeah, and the winter time, too. Yeah.
Good for the winter.
Yeah, and summer, too.
Bowl of soup and some strawberries for dessert. That is so good.
Yeah, that's a great meal. Okay, my napkin. Okay, thank you. I'm gonna have a sip of this sparkling cider. That's really good. And like I said, Martinelli's is like one of my favorite drinks. So shout out to Martinelli's. And also Martinelli's comment on one of my pictures, and I was so excited. And Martinelli's also commented on my Christmas pamper routine. And they said, now that's a routine. And I was so excited because like one of my favorite companies and drink companies is so good. And I was so happy they comment on my Instagram. So Valentine's Day is coming up soon. And let me know in the comments below, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? I'd love to know. And well, my plans, I'm spending time with my family. Well, I'm single, but I'm spending it with my family, and we're just gonna relax and have a nice dinner and we'll just have some great food.
Watch TV.
Watch TV. Oh yeah, you know what's coming on Valentine's Day? American Idol, and I'm so excited to watch it again because I haven't watched it since last season. What that show? I think 90 Day Fiance coming on too. So yeah, we're gonna watch those on Valentine's Day. Okay. So I'm going to eat one more strawberry and then I'll be finished because I'm getting kind of full. So I just want to eat one more. And yeah, here it is right here.
It'll soon be spring again.
Oh yeah.
You can just sit around on the nice heat and the sun and eat strawberries.
Make some nice cold lemonade.
Yes.
Maybe make some.
Enjoy it.
And then make some. What's it making spring
Have some ice cream.
Yeah, ice cream.
That would be so good.
Mhm.
Get out of the house, you know.
Mhm.
For the winter anyway.
Yeah. Sit on the porch.
You miss all that when the winter comes because you can't get out and just sit around, you know, outside. It's so cold. Long before the spring comes.
Yeah.
Won't be long.
Nope, not too long. These strawberries are so delicious. I'm getting full. I'm gonna drink a little bit of this sparkling cider. Okay, so that is the end of the video. Okay, and I love you all so much, and thank you all for your support. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, don't forget the subscribe button, and turn on your post notification bell so y'all be notified whenever I upload another video. And I will see y'all in my next video. Alright, bye. Love y'all.
Bye-bye. Love you.